family, home, friends, community, finances, hobbies, work, health. I got some work to do. Hey everyone, Happy New Year. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I have a really cool tool I want to share with you today. So it's going to be a short video so you can get over to a better website and find something cool, and that is this thing here. So it's the new year, and I'm somebody, I don't make resolutions, I make plans. And so if you've been following my teacher blog stuff, you know that 20 time is a big deal, and I'm definitely already in the planning stages of 20 time 2019. Stay tuned. I'll be putting out more information about that in the next few weeks. Late January is when I get going with that. But early January seems like a good time to let you know about this really cool resource. It's from a group called Year Compass. And basically it's a group of folks who a few years ago got together. They were having a New Year's Eve party and they wanted to make a party that was meaningful. So they came up with a list of questions for their friends to reflect on as they were looking back over the past year and looking forward to what they wanted to accomplish in the new year. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's exactly what I do every year. And they've just put it together in this really cute downloadable form. It's 20 pages. I'll put the link down there or maybe up here on the screen. You can go grab it. I like that they have a printable one. They also have one that you can fill in, a fillable form if you like to type your answers. It's just a really cool way to slow down, which I need to do a lot, slow down and just figure out what's important to you and what you want your next year to bring. So that's the whole video this week. I just found something cool. I want you to go check it out. I like their mission. Basically, they're just saying we need to make more awesome humans, and being reflective of what worked for you last year, what didn't go so well for you last year, and what you're going to do about it this year is a really good thing. I hope you're having a really restful holiday season, having a great launch to the new year. We don't go back to school in Idaho until next week, so we're still on vacation. I'm kicking it with the kids and having a nice time. For some folks like on the East Coast, I know that school already started, so I might be a couple days late on this guy for you, but I still think anytime in the month of January, or really anytime, is a good time to be reflective. I want to do a shout out to my niece Ashley, a brand new 5th grade special education teacher in New York. She just this week, that's how I know that New York is already back in school, yesterday. She just went back yesterday for her very first day. She's finishing up her practicum and she is a legit teacher. So good job, Ashley. And a shout out to my son, who is about to become an English teacher in Nepal with the Peace Corps. So there's a lot of teacher stuff happening around here. And hopefully I can get those kids, once they have a little more experience, like under my thumb, and I can do an interview with them. Because how cool would that be to have them on the channel too? And you can see some of my people. All right, I hope you're doing great. Follow me on the blog. There's lots of stuff going on over there. And YouTube. I'm kind of feeling it again, not on a schedule, sporadic, but when I have something to say, you know I'm going to share it. Have a great one. I'll see you guys sometime soon. Okay, bye.